What's the meaning of conveniently? Conveniently. Conveniently.
Conveniently. Conveniently. Conveniently generally means in a way that is easy and helpful for someone, often in a situation where an advantage can be gained. This term implies that something has been done with both ease and expediency in mind. For example, a business might conveniently locate its office near a major transportation hub to make it easier for employees to commute. Similarly, a product might be packaged conveniently to make it easy for the consumer to use. Overall, the term conveniently describes a situation or action that is designed to be efficient and user-friendly.